Hello there, John here from Pegasus Property Group. It's a very quick video regarding the pressure drop in a boiler. So when you're looking for the pressure gauge, this is a Ferroli boiler. The pressure gauge looks like this, okay? So normal pressures are around about 1.5 on most boilers. So you can see that one is slightly below. But for example, if you've got a problem where there's no heating and no hot water, come to your boiler, it sometimes gives you an error code on here. But one of the main things to look for is the pressure. Most times, over time, the air drops. It drops down to there, okay? And that gives you no hot water and no heating. So you need to look for the filling loop. And on a Ferroli, it looks something like this. Okay, you've got two taps, one each side. They're both turned off at the moment. Some of them have got one tap, and on the other side, it's like a screw thread. So that tap won't be on. It's like a minus. You need a screwdriver to turn that so it comes on, okay? So you turn one tap on at a time. Turn that, there you go. So it's going the same way as the water flow. That one is still turned off. All I'm going to do is turn that one on, but keep an eye on the pressure, okay? I'm going to take this to 1.5. So I'm turning the tap on now. Just take your time, don't do it too quickly. There you go. As soon as you've done, make sure the tap's turned off and the other one is turned off as well. That should give you your hot water and heating back on now. Thank you.